Hello. So it is February 1st and I still haven't taken down my Christmas decor, which I'm going to do today in this video, and I'm not looking forward to it. I know I could just have it up all year round, it's my choice, but I don't know. I feel like every time I put up my Christmas decor, I feel this excitement, and I feel like if I had it up all year round, it wouldn't be exciting once it's Christmas. And I was like, oh, I could decorate for Valentine's Day, but Valentine's Day decor, that's basically already what I have, like, I mean, pink and hearts. So anyways, and I also need to do some other things like fold laundry, so I'm just gonna start with that so it is out of the way. Alright, I'm just gonna wipe some areas. Alright, I got one of those moving thingies and some newspaper. I'm gonna put down the things that I want broken. So let's do that. Hopefully everything fits in here. Tape. Listen, I'm gaslighting myself right now into thinking it's cold so I can wear this, but I'm really fucking warm as always. Checking if I have anything else here. I don't think so. Oh yeah, over here, of course. Okay, this is done, I think. Still on my desk. Oh, is it only those two? I'm trying to look if I'm blind. I don't. That's fine. I need to put another candle in here. But this one is not. This one can be Christmas and not Christmas. Hello, this one, and I like it. It's just a bow. It's just a bow. But I think, yeah. I do have these that are Christmas, but I don't want to put them in the... Oh, what happened? My sound, my podcast thing I was listening to just stopped. Okay, so I guess it's just those two then. Again, unless I'm blind. No idea. Okay, Tina has her little Christmas corner here. It's just these three things. Little Tina in here. Just realized I have these as well. Okay, and then I also have these. And this. I'm gonna have to put that somewhere else, so I'm just gonna leave it there for now because it's not gonna go in the basement. Oh, I have some lights here. Just realized how much Christmas decor I have this year because I bought some extra. I was so excited for Christmas this year. This one's so cute. That's cool. I love it. It's like a little cookie jar. That one's gonna have to go. The shirt, the sweater Bunny's wearing, because it's a Christmas one. I know I put them down a little late, but I usually do it like right before Valentine's Day. The video I'm listening to is ending. I need another one. I want to keep this because it's a little deer. Excuse me. There. I want to keep this here because it's not very. I mean, it is also wintry, but these exist all year round, so. I'm gonna have to think smart about this. What about this one? Might be able to rearrange this so they fit anyways. Okay, so that worked. Yeah. Let's put a little note there. Michelle's Christmas stuff. Could also just write on it. Maybe I should also do it here and then on all sides. Ugh. Okay, let me just write it here. So. My idea is that like no matter what. Oh, I didn't even know I wasn't in frame. Sorry. My idea is that no matter what way the box is standing, you'll because I always struggle with, you know, finding the right boxes. You have to flip it, and so if I just write it on every single corner, there won't be any issue. Okay, so that's done. Now it's just a Christmas tree, and I have my Christmas tree box there for that. So much tape on your, like that's accumulated over the years. So I'm just removing that. All right, I need something to put. I did have a box for these, but I can't find it, so I'm gonna have to do something else. I wonder if it'll fit in this one. We'll see. Okay, I have to take it down. I need a string or something. Alright. I'm fucking dying. I need to take this off, so I'm gonna go. I've taken down everything. I just need to do the the stuffed animals and stuff. And okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.